Hello friends, this is part 2 of the presentation where I would like to explain and share my idea about how we can revive the economy. Right now when you go to the stores, you don't find anything. You don't find anything because a lot of things are not available because the manufacturer cannot manufacture them. There is no labor, and people who are trying to manufacture, they don't have raw material and other things coming in because again the supply chain is totally uh, exhausted or destroyed or have come to a stall because of primarily because of people not being able to come out and work. That's the prime reason, because people cannot come out and work. People cannot go to the factories and work without the fear of contamination, infection. And this is a real fear. This is real. This is happening out there. So that's why factories and workplaces are shutting down. So I thought about it for a day or two, and then I felt that maybe this is an idea we can try. So right now what is happening is there are infected people, or there are people in a town. So in a town, right now in a town there are you have hospitals. This is current scenario. There is a hospital and it has testing kits, and there are doctors and staff, trained staff, which is sitting there ready for you. And if you are infected, if you think that you need to be tested and things like that, you go to the hospital. This is a voluntary type. This is type of like you volunteer. Okay, you go there on your own. अब मेरे को कुछ हो गया, मुझे लग रहा है कुछ, ओके हाँ दिखाना है, तो then they will treat you. They will look at you and they will test you, and then they will say, okay, you are good or bad, or you need to be hospitalized, or you need to be treated, or treat you, send you back home. Then you go there and then you come back. But that changes nothing because it is multiplying here. It just keeps on multiplying around the hospital. In the town, it keeps on growing. इसको हुआ है, अब इसको ठीक हो गया, अब इसको हो गया, अब इसको हुआ है, इसको ठीक हो गया, अब इसको हुआ है, ऐसे करके it just keeps on going. And hospital में they just sit there. They're waiting. They don't know anything better because that's how the hospital is. The hospitals, the philosophy is this, that there's a building, the people just sitting in there. They're sitting. They're not trying to find out who is well or who's not well. They're just sitting there. If you walk in there, then they will look at you. Otherwise not. So that's the current situation. It is not going to help. It's good, but it's not going to help. So my suggestion is, what I'm proposing is that government, and there are two important pieces to this. One is government, and other is private sector. So government and private sector need to come together. They need to come together and they need to do testing on a site base. So, for example, this is a factory. And this factory is closed down right now. It's not producing anything. Why? Because the laborers have run away. All the laborers, all the blue collar workers, जितने भी यहाँ पर मजदूर लोग हैं, जो गरीब लोग हैं, वो चले गए क्योंकि खतरा है उनको, वायरस हो जाएगा, उनको खतरा है, उनको जिंदगी का खतरा है, इसलिए वो चले गए. Okay, they are not there. So factory has to shut down. Okay, another industry which is totally impacted, like hugely impacted with this, is the hotels. Hotels में employees are can get infected. They got infected. They can get infected. It's all real. It is happening, and the guests can get infected. तो ये तो hotels भी shut down हो गए. होटल कंपनियां धनाधन बंद हो रही हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उनकी ऊपर बड़ी मार पड़ी है. ठीक है ना? Because it is affecting the people, and it is affecting least protected people first, because they are more in close proximity. जो blue collar worker है, they work in close proximity. That's an important factor. Blue collar workers don't work in isolation. They work in close proximity. That is a very important point. That is why blue collar workers are more in danger zone. So that is why they ran away. And factories are shut down, hotels are shut down. All right. I propose government work with private sector like the factory owners and set up a testing, permanent testing facility at every factory owner who is willing, who is willing to participate. Set up a testing facility at the factory for the laborers, for the blue collar workers, okay? गरीब मजदूरों के लिए यहाँ पर टेस्टिंग फैसिलिटी होनी चाहिए, हर फैक्ट्री में होनी चाहिए, जिससे कि उनका टेस्ट हो और वो अंदर आके काम करें, ठीक है? अंदर आके काम करने के बाद उनको बाहर जाना है, और बाहर जाना है और उनको कहीं रहना है. For that, hotels should certify themselves as COVID-free staying place, COVID-free zone. So this will be a COVID-free zone, CFZ, and this will again be a CFZ, COVID-free zone. It will also have a testing facility. Government and private sector enterprise together will have to work this out. Have a testing facility here, have a testing facility here. All the laborers, the factory owner should ensure that his labor travels using a CFZ transportation, goes and stays here, where in a clean facility, they live here in a clean facility, and they go back and then work in a clean facility, and they're tested once a month. They're tested once a month. Or depending on how you look at it, if they want to test it, they can test every 15 days or once a week. Once a week, everybody's tested. If anybody found to be like positive or something, you take them out. And you send them to hospital. If anybody is found positive, they go to hospital. Okay, so this is slightly, it will incur more cost for the owners. गरीब आदमी को यहाँ पे टिकाना है, उसको खाना देना है ना, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन करना है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा खर्चा लगेगा फैक्ट्री ओनर का, बट इकोनॉमी विल स्टार्ट working. The factory can open, it can do, you can start making things. This scenario will be not applicable to everybody, but for a lot of people, this can work. All the employees who work here have to remain in a CFC zone, like right here. The important thing here is CFC zone. COVID-free zone, COVID-free zone. CFZ is a COVID-free zone. So this has to be, the factory has to be a COVID-free zone. The hotel has to be a COVID-free zone. The transportation have to be a COVID-free zone. And so we have to ensure that healthy people are working here, and people working here are healthy. So we have to ensure that. And therefore we have to, government and private sector has to start with a blue collar worker first. उससे गरीब के घर में चूल्हा जलेगा, रोटी आएगी, गरीब परेशान नहीं होगा, मरेगा नहीं, और फैक्ट्री भी चलेगी, गुड्स प्रोड्यूस होंगे तो स्ट्रेस मार्केट में कम होगा. This is in that's a very short, what I described here is a very short explanation of what I analyzed, that how this can be done. So this is one way of doing it. So we have to, right now our focus is here to produce, to give facilities here, and to enable our hospitals, doctors and things like that. This is our priority right now, but we have to move the priority here. We have to change the line of attack. We have to attack the problem differently now. Economic attack. This is an economy fighting the virus. This is here humanity fighting the virus. In the hospital, humanity is fighting the virus. But in the factories and hotels and transportations and all, it is economy fighting back the virus. So this is another line of attack. This is another way. For travel, once you have a COVID-free zone, or some state or some district are totally COVID-free, must have travel restrictions, strict travel restrictions, and all international travels should be confined to one airport. All international travelers for the country should be coming to one airport where they should be quarantined, compulsory quarantine for 15 days for asymptomatic people. Anybody who is symptomatic should be sent back. Anybody who is symptomatic should be sent back. Anybody who comes out symptomatic in 15 days should be sent back. There should be a condition. There should be a condition. You have to be upfront. You have to tell the travelers upfront that this is the condition of your travel. If you agree to the condition, you can travel. If not, then you should postpone your travel. So जितने भी इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट है उनको एक ही एयरपोर्ट पे लाना है, एक ही एयरपोर्ट पे उनको 15 दिन क्वारंटाइन करना है. उस एयरपोर्ट से डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट नहीं करनी है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ से कुछ करप्शन वगैरह करके किसी को पैसे या उसको के भाग जाते हैं यहाँ से और दूसरी फ्लाइट पकड़ लेते हैं और इधर उधर चले जाते हैं. We have seen such cases happening. So no domestic flights here, only international flights here, and then this airport, quarantine, 15-day compulsory quarantine, and after this, those who are clean and good, they transport to another airport and then they can travel domestically, no problem. Free domestic travel, unrestricted. I mean to say that unrestricted domestic travel, but international travel should be confined to one airport only. So that's another thought regarding travel. Now, for this is factory output. These are goods, factory goods. But for groceries, grains, and other things, you have to have a CFZ standard. You have to have a CFZ standard for all such places, transportation and handlers. You have to have a CFZ standard. So you should ID. In the long run, you should plan. In the long run, government should plan. Government plus private sector should plan. Long run means within a span of 2-3 months. They should plan to ID all people, ID all healthy people, ID all infected people, and ID all treated people who have been treated. So all those people who are ID'd healthy, they can go directly back to work. Infected and treated people should be quarantined for 30 days. If you start today and quarantine for 30 days, then in 1 month, suppose today you end up testing. Suppose today you end up testing all 60-70% of your population, working population, moving population, people who are going out of their houses, especially adults, not kids or not older people. Older people and kids are not going anywhere. जो बूढ़े लोग हैं और बच्चे हैं वो तो घर में ही रहते हैं, खासकर आजकल के समय में तो घर में ही हैं. केवल जवान लोग बाहर जा रहे हैं. तो वायरस जो फैलेगा या फैल रहा है वो जवान लोगों से ही फैल रहा है. So you have to test only the adult population from, let's say, 20 years to 15-20 years to 65-70 years. So anybody who is going out must get tested. If they get tested and you ID them as a healthy person, infected person, or treated person, people who were infected earlier and now have been treated. So treated people, we know they keep shedding the virus for 15 days, 14-15 days, sometimes 20-25 days. So suppose today we end up IDing all the people, then in 30 days, if you quarantine these two people for 30 days, then after 30 days you will almost eradicate the virus from your land. If you go by this, if you accept this hypothesis that today you will end up testing, IDing, not just testing, IDing all the moving population, all the working population of your country, then it is a chance, there is a very, very good chance that in 30 days you will ensure that there is no virus in your country or in your area. You can apply this at a district level, you can apply this at a state level or at the country level. Wherever you can seal the borders, At that level you can apply this logic, this theory, and this is hard. But one good thing about this is testing kits are available. It is not like a vaccine that it will take so many months or years, because even after 1.5 years, there's no guarantee that the vaccine you will get will be a good vaccine. Vaccines are very dangerous things. They can, if they go wrong, they can be catastrophic. And right now, people are just trying hard, left, right, center, anything, any which way. So you have to be very cautious about which vaccine you are going to get next year. It's not such a simple thing or such trustworthy. You cannot blindly trust a vaccine. So, but this thing, testing is accurate. Testing is happening right now. You have the equipment, you have the tools. You can train people easily for testing. Healthcare workers can be trained easily to test. And this formula of quarantining infected and treated people, स्टेडियम में क्वारंटाइन कर दो, इनको कहीं पर भी क्वारंटाइन कर दो, मॉस्क में क्वारंटाइन कर दो, कहीं पर भी क्वारंटाइन कर दो, जहाँ पर भी बड़ा एरिया है, empty halls, a big hall, quarantine them there, क्वारंटाइन कर दो. तो 30 days तक इन्फेक्टेड और ट्रीटेड पीपल दोनों को क्वारंटाइन करो. 30 दिन के बाद आप देखो, you will have a far more better situation. Infection will go away. You have to segregate your population. You have to do this. So this can be done because testing is available right now. Testing is cheap. It's not expensive. It can be done. It only needs human labor. पसीना बहाना है, मेहनत करनी है, टेस्टिंग किट प्रोड्यूस करने हैं. This is the formula for increasing testing kit production, and this is the application. Testing kit को apply, use it, ID the people. Good population, healthy population को ID करना है, and then those healthy people can go and work in CFC zones. They can go and work in CFC zones. We don't want them to get infected. So this plan is a hard work plan, is a human labor. ये मेहनत का प्लान है. इसके फल भी मीठे होने ही हैं. इसमें केवल मेहनत है. इसमें अनसर्टिनिटी नहीं है. वैक्सीन में अनसर्टिनिटी होती है, काम करेगी नहीं करेगी, साइड इफेक्ट क्या होगा, क्योंकि वैक्सीन वायरस डालती है ब्लड के अंदर. वायरस डालेगी, और वायरस कैसे डालेगी? वायरस तो अकेला जाता नहीं, उसको तो कैरियर चाहिए. तो वो कोई कैरियर बनाएगी, ब्लड प्लाज्मा से ही कोई कैरियर बनाएगा. तो किसी के ब्लड प्लाज्मा डोनेट होंगे, उसमें वायरस का कैरियर बनेगा, वो कैरियर बनेगा वायरस का. फिर उसमें से वैक्सीन के छोटे छोटे डोज बनेंगी. तो एक डोज सबको एक डोज मिलेगी. जस्ट अस्यूम एवरीबॉडी गेट्स अ डोज. देन एनीथिंग कैन हैपन. साल भर में some other side effect, 2 साल में some other side effect. People will say, oh my god, 5 years back this was done. Now this is a big public crisis. Why? Because 20%, 30% of population got the vaccine. So now it's a huge crisis because this is a side effect. So vaccine, if it is good, then it is the best cure. But to have a solid vaccine, you need at least 3-4 years of testing. उसके ट्रायल होंगे, डबल ब्लाइंड स्टडी होगी, बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टिंग होगी. जब पक्का हो जाएगा, when you are 100-200% sure that there is no side effect coming out of this medicine or this vaccine, then it is okayed for general public use. लेकिन ऐसा होने नहीं वाला है अगले साल बस जिसकी आधी अधूरी जो भी whatever testing, people are desperate. Desperation में अच्छा नहीं होता है. Desperation is always risky. So desperate are people who they want something. So therefore, the vaccine is can be good or bad, or we don't know. There is uncertainty. But इसमें uncertainty नहीं है. इसमें है hard work. You have to create the zones. You have to create testing facility. You have to let people work here. Healthy people work here. Healthy people stay here. Food is prepared here. All transportation it has to be CFZ. You have to be sure that there's no contamination, no cross contamination happening, no infection happening and all that. Produce testing kits, produce factory goods, and use testing kits. Go volunteer testing, test for antibodies, test for the virus, and ID the people, ID healthy people, ID infected people, ID treated people. Quarantine infected and treated people for 30 days, compulsory, and send healthy people to work immediately. And above everything, start testing the blue collar worker first, because they are the guys who run your trucks, who run your factories, who make goods for you. जो मेहनत करने वाला अनपढ़ पसीना बहाने वाला मजदूर है, जो खेत में काम करने वाला अनपढ़ आदमी है, जो गरीब है, वो आपकी फैक्ट्री चला रहा है, ट्रक चला रहा है, ठेले चला रहा है, उसको पहले टेस्टिंग करिए आप। पहले उसको इंश्योर करिए कि वो हेल्दी है। सबसे पहले उस पर आप इलाज करिए, टेस्टिंग, और उसको आईडी करिए, उसकी सुरक्षा की गारंटी करिए सबसे पहले। फिर जो लोग कंप्यूटर पे बैठ के काम करते हैं अपने घर से, दे आर द लास्ट पीपल बिकॉज दे आर सेफ इन देयर हाउस, उनको लास्ट में करिए। जो ये बड़े बड़े अफसर हैं, एग्जीक्यूटिव्स हैं, इनको लास्ट में करिए। इनको पार्टी की वजह से हुआ है कोरोना वायरस, काम की वजह से नहीं हो रहा है, अक्सर ऐसे ही होता है। तो I think so. I would conclude now. I think the highlights for COVID-free zones and the targeted testing and the change in plan of attack. This is an economy fighting the virus. That is humanity fighting the virus. So we have to think differently. If we have to win, we have to think differently. If our industries have to win, they have to think differently, act differently, and work with government. This T is very important. Please keep that in mind. All the best to all of us, and we hope we will win this. We will win this together. Thank you. Have a good day.